Hey superstars! Welcome to my super cool Gugu Kids Club, where we explore fun adventure and learn amazing things together. Let's start it! Meet our young stars. In this video, kids share their favorite good habits, from brushing teeth to helping friends. Get inspired by their good habits and start building your own healthy habits. Let's go! I wash my hands before eating. Washing hands before eating keeps germs away. I brush my teeth every morning and night. Brushing teeth every morning and night keeps your smile bright. Always throw garbage in the dustbin. Throwing garbage in the dustbin keeps the environment clean. I say sorry when I make a mistake. Saying sorry when you make a mistake shows you care. Trim your nails regularly. Trimming your nails regularly keep them neat. I respect my grandparents. Respecting grandparents show love and appreciation. I read a book every night. So every night I learn new things. I eat fruits and vegetables. Eating fruits and vegetables help me stay healthy. Never waste my food. Never wasting food shows respect for what I eat. I keep my promises. Keeping my promises show I am trustworthy. I do exercise regularly. Exercise regularly keeps my body strong. I do my homework on time. Doing my homework on time helps me learn better. I go to my bed early. Going to bed early gives me enough rest. I play outside to stay active. Playing outside keeps me active and happy. I drink water throughout the day. Drinking water throughout the day keeps me hydrated. I help my parents with chores to make things easier. I listen to my parents and teacher. Listening to my parents and teacher helps me learn. I'm kind to everyone. Being kind to everyone makes the world better. I share my toys with my friends. Sharing my toys with friends shows I care. Take a bath daily. Taking a bath daily keeps me clean. I always tell the truth. Always telling the truth builds trust. I always on time. Being on time shows I'm responsible. I wear clean clothes every day. Wearing clean clothes every day keeps me looking neat. I always say please and thank you. Saying please and thank you showing kindness. I use a tissue when I sneeze. I use a tissue when I sneeze to keep things clean. I cover my mouth when I cough. Covering my mouth when I cough helps stop germs. I help my friends. I help my friends when they need it to be a good friend. I keep my room clean and tidy. Keeping my room clean and tidy makes it nice to be in. I am grateful for what I have. I am grateful for what I have to appreciate my life. Please like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you. Goodbye.